Number 32. I'm making a mention on behalf of Mr. D. Nath. Not with the
Item?
Item 32, Lordship.
Oh,
I'm making a mention on behalf of Mr. D. Nath.
Hmm.
Instructions are awaited in this matter, Lordship. This may kindly be taken up after 1 week.
who appears for the petitioner?
The consent has been approved.
You are Mr.
N. Sharma appearing on behalf of SP Sharma.
Okay, heard Mr. N. Chairman and the council appearing on behalf of Mr. S.P. Sharma for the appellant. On request made on behalf of Mr. D. Nath, Leonard, Senior Governor,
PWD. For PWD.
Leonard Standing Council PWD, list after 1 week.
Lordship, similar prayer with regard to item number 36. That may kindly be adjourned for a week, Lordship.
I am appearing on behalf of D. Purgastam, petitioner.
Heard Mr.
N. Sharma.
Leonard Council appearing on behalf of D. Purul for the appellant for the petitioner. On request made on behalf of D. Nath, Leonard
Senior
Senior
Governor.
Governor, list after
1 week, Lordship.
1 week.
Well, date may be fixed, my lord.
We will fix. It will come up.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May April. But to be the concern of the petitioner side, I beg to mention item number 6. Lordship.
Item
6, Lordship.
6, yes.
So kindly this matter may be adjourned for 4 weeks.
You are the,
I am for KAC, Lordship. RS Rongham.
I am appearing for petition. We have no.
okay, heard Mr. D. Barrow, Leonard Council for the petition. On request made by Mr.
RS Rongham.
I. Songhan, Leonard Standing Council KAC, list after
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, lordship with due consent from the appellant, lordship, I beg to mention item number 38. Lordship, the matter may be taken after 2 weeks.
Item number 38.
38.
In this matter, I appear for the appellant lordship. There is an interim order operating that may continue lordship.
Heard Mr. M.P. Sharma, Leonard Council for the appellant. On request made by
P. Hazarika.
D. Hazarika, Leonard Council for the respondent,
Yes, your lordship.
list after.
No, 2 weeks. Lordship, we have
weeks.
not received the copy of IA
That I will
also.
give lordship.
Interim order passes to continue till the next.
I'd like to mention item number 25. My lord, I have to file a additional affidavit in this case, my lord. I have filed the writ affidavit. Lordship may adjourn for a, my lord.
You are for the,
Appellant. my lord. Item number 25,
on request made by Mr.
D.K. Sharma.
D.K. Sharma. Leonard additional senior governor for the appellant, list after,
After a week.
after a week.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 14, I am for the appellant, your lordship, with consent, your lordship. In this case, central government has issued a notification, your lordship, on 24th of this month, your lordship. That notification might have some bearing on this case, your lordship. I want to bring that by way of an affidavit to the record, your lordship. Next week, any date, your lordship.
Mr. S. Badagur, Leonard Council for the applicant,
Appellant, your lordship.
for the appellant.
Applicant.
Is allowed to file an additional affidavit. Bring on record the notification dated
24th of April,
24 April
24,
issued by the,
issued by the central government. Just now they have,
issued by the central government.
lords. Deeply aware.
May April.
Not with consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 34 and 35.
24 and 25, yes.
My senior is Arun, is absent today. Matter may be adjourned for the day.
Who's your senior?
P. Sinha.
On request made on behalf of Mr. D. Sinha, Leonard Council for the petitioner. List after,
After tomorrow.
not tomorrow. After a week will take.
Lordship, 34 and 35 not same matter, Lordship. Wait,
Okay.
35,
We'll see next time, after a week.
Lordship, on another matter, 29 idea. Matter may be adjourned for the date.
You are for,
For petitioner.
oh, same order.
Okay.
Here it will be appellant.
Item 1 to 4 of daily list for order.
Your lordship may kindly peruse order dated 28/2/2024, your lordship.
Yes, my affidavit is ready, Lordship. I have already sent it for vetting. I am expecting.
Yeah, for the GMDA.
Yes, Lordship. I'm expecting it today, Lordship. So by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll listen.
Okay. Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel,
In this case, Lordship, GMC.
GMC,
Yes, affidavit was directed to
Submits. that affidavit in terms of the order dated 28/2/2024 is ready for filing. Stop. List the matter after 1 week.
Good.
Obliged, Lordship.
Deeply obliged.
5,
May I please, your lordship, lordship, by the last order, lordship, I was allowed to take substitute a service by way of paper publication, lordship,
Which order?
in the IA.
Yes.
Now,
Writ appeal.
in the writ appeal, lordship. Lordship, there has been some delay in receipt of the endorsement from the registry. I got it only on 23rd. Therefore, lordship, I could not get the matter published. If your lordship will allow me one further chance, give me 3 weeks' time, lordship.
Mr. R.K. Chowdhury, Learned Assistant Solicitor General. Is permitted another, okay, Deputy Solicitor General. Is allowed another 1 week time. 2 weeks.
No, lordship will give me 3 weeks' time, lordship, for paper publication and filing of the affidavit, lordship.
Presswood, it is allowed 3 weeks time. To get the notice served upon the answerable respondents through paper publication. Showing the returnable data. Today is what, 29,
Today is 29th, lordship.
31st May.
I'm so obliged, lordship.
Thereafter, the applicant shall file an affidavit to that effect. List on 31st.
7 and 8,
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in respect of 4, 5, and 12, service not completed yet, lordship. So waited for service.
Will await service. Await service notice. Await service notice on the respondents 4, 5, and 12.
Yes, lord.
And list the matter after
After,
2 weeks
okay, my lord.
or 3 weeks.
I'm for respond number 11.
Mr. P.K. Roy, Learned Senior Counsel, appears for respond number 11.
Then lordship, item number 8 is also a same matter, lordship. Lordship, earlier steps were not taken, but now we have taken the steps. An analogous matter, so this matter may be also admitted.
No. It will come up along with the other.
9,
Obliged.
Excuse me, what do 1 to 4? Service completed.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, kindly the matter may be listed for admission hearing.
Third MS,
B. Hajarika.
P. Hazarika, Learned Counsel for the appellant, Mr.
Green Nazari.
D. Yeah. Assisted by Mr. R.S. Chauhan. Learned appears on behalf of the respondents 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
1 to 4.
6, 7, 8, I'll be appearing.
List the matter for admission. And Mr. Aaron Das. Learned Government appears for respondents
6, 7, 8.
6 and 7.
What about 5? What about respond number 5?
5, I mean,
Last time 5 appeared.
Okay.
Revenue department.
Notice on respondents. List for admission after 1 week, 2 weeks, 2 weeks.
Yes.
10,
May I please, your lordship?
You take first steps. By registered post AD,
Yes, my lord.
the petitioner is allowed to take first steps for service of on the sole respondent by registered post AD within 1 week. List after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
11.
May I please, Lordship? It will take my I 1769, madam. That delay of 370 days in preparing the appeal, madam. So what happened? I have stated in paragraph.
have filed objection in this regard, madam.
Where's your objection?
Yes, madam. Under the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, madam.
What about the amended first statute?
Amendment because have been filed, madam. And
Amended.
respondent number 5 and 7 has been deleted. Name of the FF has been deleted. Because they state that these two persons are not working in the institution.
Name of respondent numbers?
5 and 7.
When did you file your amended post title?
Long back I have filed, madam.
As per office note 1/2/2024, amended post title not filed.
Thereafter, it was again filed, my lord. Twice it was filed, madam. Once it was detected, it was not there. Well, I'll check up, then I will check up, madam.
Not filed, their name, they're already, that's been in the court.
Lordship, then I have to check up, my lord, again. Madam.
Okay, Mr.
Yes, my lord, sir.
As Goral and the counsel for the applicant submits that he has filed an amended post title. Stop, registry to verify and put up the same with a fresh note. List after 2 weeks, 1 week,
2 weeks, lord.
2 weeks.
Of my lordship.
12.
Make clear, your lordship. My lord, I have taken the steps, lordship, but justice services, your lordship, by filing an affidavit on behalf by the person who has an witness, lordship. I pray, lordship, that the delay may kindly be condoned, lordship.
You file your affidavit?
Lordship, page 17 to 23, lordship. Page number 23 is the affidavit, the person
Respondent 1,
for respondent number 1,
others are all state.
are all state, lordship.
Yes, Katanir?
Yes, madam. I'm appearing for education department, madam.
All are official respondents.
How about respondent 6?
Respondent number 6, lordship, already, lordship, the notice was received, perhaps, lordship, the report shows that only respondent number 1 was answered, and accordingly, lordship, I have taken dossier service, lordship.
Okay.
I pray, lordship, the delay may kindly be
Mr.
condoned.
K. Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, for the applicant. Peruse the affidavit filed by the applicant. Dated 2/2/2024, showing service of notice on the respondent number 1 by justice service. The same is accepted. Notice on respondent 1 shall be deemed to be complete. Stop. You have any objection?
No.
Mr. NJ Khatania, Leonard, Standing Council School Education Department. Appearing for the respondents 2 to 5, has no objections in confirmation of the delay of. You are appearing for?
I'm a paper, no, 2, 3, 5.
Deputy Commissioner is the state.
Has no objections. Stop. MS. RP Bora, London Governor Advocate, appears for the response. No, say like this. MS, Mr. NJ Khatania, London Standing Council School Education Department for respondents 2, 3, and 5, and Mr. RV Bora, London Governor Advocate for respondent 4 has no objections. We have also perused the post shown in the present application and we are satisfied. Accordingly, the delay of how many days?
155 days, Lordship.
155 days in filing the connectivity appeal is condoned. Registry is directed to number the appeal and Mr. Matter in his usual course. Affidavit dated 28. 28, not second. One second here.
There are 2 affidavits, Lordship.
Oh, there are 2 affidavits.
Yes, Lordship. Last subsequently again. Honorable
27th March.
Lordship. Last affidavit is 27 March, Lordship. Page,
Okay, 28 March. Huh? 28 March.
March obliged, Lordship.
I just
13.
March obliged.
Lordship, in this case, as per office note dated 22/4, AD card has not been received back, your Lordship.
You have to take first step.
Okay.
On respondent,
One respondent, sole respondent. 13.
the applicant is permitted to take first steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by state authority within 1 week. Please submit. We have it 3 weeks or 4? 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
15.
May I please, Lordship?
Fifteen.
Yes,
Lordship, my senior is Legon in board number 26. Kindly may allow for time being, Lordship.
respondent 2, no? Our service report on respondent number 2.
Lordship, we may allow to take first steps, Lordship.
Okay. The applicant is permitted to take first step for service of notice.
Respondent
On
number
the respond number
2, Lordship.
2 by registered post ID within 1 week based up to 4 weeks.
Bless.
16.
May I please interrupt? Well, this appeal was filed by being aggrieved by non-passing of interim order in the petition by the learned single judge. Now the division measure passed the interim order. The matter may be relegated to the honorable single judge, my lord. There cannot be two parallel proceedings.
In fact,
Objection, man.
yes, it can be done. And in fact, there is an office note that after the admission matter may be sent back to the Arunachal, matter deals to Arunachal mail. It can be sent back and they have filed a reply, government as well as the private, one of the private students filed a reply affidavit. I have to file counter to that also. Lordship may admit and send it back to the Arunachal mail address. And meanwhile, Lordship will give us opportunity to file reply to their counters.
Admit what,
Writ petition is pending before the honorable single judge. While issuing notice of motion, no interim order was passed. Against that order, they closed the support in this writ appeal. Now the honorable division bench passed the interim order, staying the administrative order. The writ petition is pending. So my lord.
We'll make this absolute and dispose.
Yes, yes.
There's no need to.
No.
Petition is pending there.
Writ petition-
Yes.
You first your order. I have not gone through the.
I am for respondent number 3.
I am respondent number 1. 1, 2, 3, not 4.
3. I am 3.
No, so 1, 2, 1.
1 and
1 and 2. Right, this detail is order dated.
Page 69, my lord.
Order dated 15/12/2020.
My lord, my lord.
15/12/2000 is the order passed by the honorable single judge. and
I
the
came against that, my lord.
Administrative order is 2/12/2000.
15/12/2023 passed in WPC number 607 bracket AP bracket 2 of 2023. Whereby the learned single judge had declined the interim relief as paid for by the writ petitioner. So respondent number 3. Who was the writ petitioner?
I was the.
Appellate was it.
Petitioner stroke appellant. Taking note of the facts and circumstances of the case, division bench have passed order dated 29/1/2021 in this written granting interim relief to the appellant. It is submitted at the bar. Since the petition is still pending disposal before the learned single judge, and considering the nature of the relief sought for this petition, they would have no objection if the order dated 29/1/2024 is made absolute with the direction of the learned single judge, with a direction to clear the petition expeditiously. It has also been pointed out that the petition is pending. Itanagar permanent bench of this court. Taking note of the submission made at the bar, we hereby direct that the order dated 29/1/2024 is made absolute in the disposal of the petition. Heat of instance disposed of accordingly. The petition be now heard and decided on the last time.
Madam, I have a pair, my lord, and because without superintendent engineer department is running, my lord. So endeavor shall be made to dispose of the yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
And my lord, engineer orders, he shall not, the learned singular shall not influence by the order passed by the division bench, my lord.
Because
Otherwise, my lord,
It's not necessary, my lord.
it is necessary, my lord.
Since order dated
1/2020.
29/1/2024 is barely on the point of interim relief made for by the applicant. The observations made in the same order have no bearing. The final decision.
Ma'am.
Deeply obliged.
Seventeen.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, as per the last office note, AD card is not yet received for respondent number 5. Take fresh
Respondent number
5.
Our service report on the.
My lord, item number 37 is actually a tag matter. Somehow it got detected. Same order may be passed in there and tagged together.
Okay. 2 weeks. Along with item number.
37. Writ appeal number 39 of 20.
39 of 2020.
Obliged.
Eighteen.
But well, in this appeal, we have taken steps. The steps is not, service is not complete, my lord.
File affidavit.
Lord,
Is it dusty?
no. In the writ appeal, my lord, dusty, raise back notice has been sent. Service is awaited, my lord. Lordship may fix it after 2 weeks.
Our service report on the respondents.
Respondent number 1, my lord.
On this, on the respond number 1.
Lordship. No.
19. Admission.
Please, Your Lordship. Well, this appeal is preferred against the judgment passed by the Honorable Single Judge, my lord, rejecting my, dismissing my writ petition, my lord. Mainly on the ground that there has been a delay of 24 years to 12 years, and therefore the prayer for compassion and appointment cannot be accepted, my lord. On the contrary, my lord,
The writ petition was pending since 2015 in before this honorable court, my lord. This delay, my lord, in my respectful submission cannot be attributed upon the petitioner, my lord. My lord, may I just place the facts, my lord.
May I submit one thing? Let this matter be admitted and fix it for hearing, man. That will be better, I think.
Okay, heard Mr. B. Kaushik, then the council.
Regarding admission, I have no objection.
Stop. Also heard Mr. B. N.
B. N.
Goswami,
For all the respondents.
counsel for the respondents. Admit Mr. Mehta for hearing for ministerial course.
My lord has admitted it.
Yes.
After your advice, was there any objections?
Actually, my lord, if my lord is taking up for hearing, it's okay. Otherwise, my lord, admission, I have no objection. So it can be admitted.
No less.
Deeply, my lord. Deeply.
20.
Lordship, I'm praying on behalf of Mr. SK maybe just accommodate for the day only. He's out of station, Lordship.
On request made on behalf of Mr. S. K. Mehta, then the CDC for the petitioner.
Petitioner, Lordship.
List after 1 week.
21.
May I please your lordships? This appeal is against on order dated Lordship. Order date 5/1/2023 passed by the Ranesh Single Judge Lordship. Here Lordship main issue is ICR is not a industry or factory Lordship. They are engaged in research or only Lordship. Therefore, they are not come under the purview of Lordship, Schedule 2 of the Minimum Wages Act Lordship. And Lordship.
Okay, heard MS R.P. Bora, then the counsel for the applicant. Admit. Issue notice on the
Already appeared in IL Lordship. All the respondents are represented Lordship.
okay, cancel. Since the respondents have not appeared, fresh notice be issued on the respondents by registered post AD.
Lordship, they have appeared Lordship. In
They are
IL.
not present. They are not present.
After admission, another notice has to go.
Lordship, Lordship.
Fresh notice be issued on the respondents by registered post AD within 1 week. List after.
Admit.
List after 4 weeks.
Diploma. Appearing.
I'm sorry, my lord, I have appeared in time. I am appearing for the private respondent.
You are appearing?
My lord.
Okay. Then you cancel your
Admit, I have to admit part, then since.
MK Sharma.
Application, but that's okay. Applies on behalf of private.
Private.
No further. That is everything.
Lordship, here is an IF for a suspension of the stay of the single judge's order, Lordship, finally, Lordship, that may be considered, Lordship.
So for death warrant is concerned only some.
Find any objection in the IA?
No, my lord, I have not filed. I want to find.
Yeah. Third MS R.P. Bora, the counsel for the applicant. Mr.
MK Sharma.
M.K. Sharma, then the counsel appearing for the private respondents. Praise for 1 week time, 2 weeks time.
3 weeks time, my pen.
Praise for 3 weeks time to file objections. List after 3 weeks.
Diploma.
22.
Yes.
Service to complete. Well, here, the service is complete, my lord. The matter has come for admission to the my lord. My lord, appeals are admitted, my lord. Lordship. Writ appeal 50 of 2024 is a similar, my lord. It is already admitted, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, sir, they are admitted.
But Mr. D. Nath, the senior government advocate for the applicants. Admit. MS
K Burman.
K. Pardagur,
K Burman.
Barman, General Counsel, enters appearance on behalf of
The respondent number 1.
on the respondent. Stop. Rest are all,
Official,
pro
official, official, performance.
This for, well, this is for hearing, yeah.
Writ appeal 50 of 2024.
Hearing, along with the, which appeal number?
50, 50, 50 of 2024.
50 of 24 is
Lot.
usual cost.
Lot. How about it?
23,
23 is similar, madam.
You appealing?
Yes, ma'am.
Respondent one,
One.
same order.
Yes. Lot.
24,
Hey, please, your lordships.
Oh.
The challenge, my lord, here is to order of the learned single judge, which had, my lord, set aside a mutation order that was granted in my favor. The primary ground, my lord, although there are certain subsequent developments that have taken place, is that the parties have, my lord, gone to the civil court as of now. And there is a They suit filed- filed by them, a counter claim also filed by them, us, my lord. Only thing is that, my lord, what has happened is that the mutation now that has been granted in his favor, my lord, it stands. Only thing is that that should be also subject to the outcome of the suit, my lord.
Already
Because-
court has observed in page 102 last page.
No, these observations are against us, my lord.
I have copy, my lord, title suit 02/2023. Filed by the
And by your client.
title suit
Who has
02/2023.
filed it?
We have filed.
Your
And-
respondent number?
I am respondent 6. And they have
Court, in which court?
in Dima Assam, my lord, civil court, Dima Assam.
Civil judge demands.
And they have filed counter claim, seeking their right title.
What is the date of order of mutation?
The mutation order date was, my lord, 3/11.
Well, after the single bench order, date of mutation is 3/11.
3/11.
3/11/2020. 23.
So that order was affirmed by the learned single judge.
No, my lord, after, no, my lord, the matter did not even go to the Board of Revenue, my lord. There was a challenge saying that, my lord, no notice was served to them while granting the earlier mutation, and therefore they had come before the High Court. The High Court, my lord, instead of reverting us back to the Board of Revenue or to the authorities, my lord had decided the matter and said that mutation should be granted in their favor. Consequent to which, my lord, there is an order passed on 3/11/2023 granting mutation in their favor. My lord, now since the title suit has reopened the entire issue, my lord, this order should be also, my lord, now subject to what would be the outcome of the suit, my lord.
Well, only
Because only once the title is decided,
What is the original order of mutation?
my lord, that your lordship would find at
page 68, my lord.
page 68.
Date, I'm not asking. Page number.
That is 1/7/2019, page 70.
That was also granted in his favor.
No, that was granted in their.
In
favor,
my favor.
Without notice and without. hearing.
And you preferred the date.
Yes, ma'am. And this is a 6-year area, my lord. Board of Revenue, no jurisdiction, ma'am. That is the thing.
No, I think they have adopted
No,
the summer and
I've checked, my lord.
evaluation.
The
That is what the
revenue-
NCL court
a-
says actually. But then anyways, we have gone to a civil court, my lord.
Yes, whatever.
But Mr. P. Pathak, cleric council, appearing today, attended. Also heard. Mr. And.
respondent number 2, my lord.
And it already discussed some, but appearing to respond number 2.
2,
Mr. P. Sharma, cleric council, is appeared for the respond numbers
3, 4 and 5.
3, 4 and 5. Who's for respond number 1? MC standing council, there.
Hello, you will appear.
Together 1, 3, 4 and 5. Mr. P. Borwa, cleric council, has appeared to respond numbers
6.
This appeal, this inter-court appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated 22/9/2020, passed by the London Civil in WC number 7716 of 2019. Thereby interfering with the order of mutation dated 1/7/2019, granted in favor of the applicant. It appears that pursuant to the interim order dated 22/9/2023, the order of mutation was granted afresh on 3/11/2023 in favor of the respondent. Mr. Patel submits that during the pendency of this proceeding, the respondent number 6 has issued statute number 0/2023 before the Court of Civil Junior Division, Dimahata, and the suit is pending disposal wherein the appellant is a party. However, the apprehension of the party is that unless an observation is made by this court, the order dated 3/11/2023 may attend finality, thus conferring undeserved right upon the respondent. It is settled law that in a land dispute, in any land dispute, raising questions of title, the decree of the civil court would have to be respected by the revenue authorities for making entry in the record of right, which is manifested by an order of mutation. Since a civil suit is already pending before the competent court by and between the contesting parties, we see no reason to make any further observation in the detail, save and except providing that the order of mutation dated 3/11/2023 granted in favor of the respondent number 6 shall abide by the decree to be passed by the civil court in title number 02 of 2000. With the above observation, it is a
26.
This appeal has also come up for fresh admission, Lordship. These are those compassionate appointment matters.
What is the date of the judgment?
This is 31/2023, Lordship, same.
What are the other orders?
Lordship, I'm giving a copy of the order.
But MS,
Lordship, the name of Mr. Dinath may be recorded.
but Mr. Dinath, then a senior government advocate appearing for the applicant.
26.
It makes appellant to take steps for several applicants on the responders by registered for city within 1 week. Please stop the 4 weeks.
27.
May I please, Your Lordship? Yes, my Lord, the order appeal against my Lord, Your Lordship will find at page number 250, my Lord. 250, my Lord. In this case, my Lord, the appellant participated in the recruitment process for the post of constable, my Lord. But in the medical test, my Lord, he was held to be unfit, my Lord. On the,
This is which year? MBBS examination.
Yeah.
MBBS. admission.
yes, my Lord.
That admission is over already.
But by the time, my Lord, the petition was pending, the new recruitment was not initiated. My Lord.
That's all right, but today what did it think the subject to you?
Yeah.
Seats are already filled up.
Of course, it is not within my knowledge, my lord, but that the fact is that subsequently another advertisement was issued. Maybe that, my lord, the recruitment process is over. But the fact is that I could not participate,
Recruitment, it is admission,
my lord,
admission process.
my lord.
It is service matter or admission?
No, it is service matter, my lord,
Service matter.
my lord. Post of constable, my lord. He applied for, but in the subsequent, my lord,
Lordship, before going to merit, Lordship, they are relying on a document of 17 to 2024. The basis of their 16 to 24, on which, on the basis of,
Mr.
A. Ali, my lord. A. Ali.
Yeah,
but that is subsequently obtained, Lordship, after filing the writ appeal.
issue notice. MS B. Sharma, from the CGC, appears on behalf of all respondents,
Lordship,
on behalf of all the respondents. And placed for how much time?
3 weeks.
3 weeks to file counter. List of the 3 weeks.
28.
Alright, item 28, services complete, my lord. It has come for admission. Kindly, Lordship may admit the appeal, my lord. It's a similar appeal, my lord.
Which appeal?
Writ appeal 50 of 2024, my lord. Lordship has already admitted the other items.
Okay, heard Mr. D. Nath, the senior governor. For the appellant. Admit. Mr.
A. Sharma.
A. Sharma, the counsel, appeal for the respond number.
One.
Respond number 1. Stop. List it for hearing. List the matter for hearing.
Lordship.
Along with WBC number, read appeal
W
number
number 50 of 2024.
2024, after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
30.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Lordship, in the case, my lord, this petitioner in earlier occasions approached this honorable court, single incident, my lord, whereby this honorable court was pleased to direct the respondent's authority to consider their case. As per the rule 16, my lord, since the appellants, my lord, who are working since 1984, like this, my lord, now at the verge of retirement on 31st of October 2024 is going to be retired. Meanwhile, in 2019, my lord, this earlier rule has been repealed, whereby this graduate degree has been inserted, my lord, in the rule, my lord. And thereby, my lord, all along they were the higher secondary past, my lord, and this petitioner was working as UDA, my lord, that is upper division assistant. And he was supposed to be promoted to the post of superintendent, my lord, in the secretariat. Meanwhile, because of this new rules, my lord, now his promotion has been totally stopped. And they came before lordship in earlier occasion, the first round of litigation. It was directed to the authority concerned to consider their representation and dispose of. And accordingly, they have disposed of, my lord, without considering the relevant provision of Rule 16, my lord. In the new rule, it has been specifically stated, my lord, if the employee is facing any undue hardship, the relaxation should be granted to the employees, my lord. That rule is very specific, my lord. Only that particular aspect, my lord, I have come. And my lord, unless lordship consider that aspect, nothing will survive, and whole this up to retirement as my lord, he will retire without having any promotion, my lord. And thereby his the legal right has been violated, and thereby, my lord, I have come before lordship. My lord.
Mr. B. Churchill and counsel for the appellant.
There is also this IA, my lord. Since one representation is pending before the authority concerned, my lord, Annexer W, lordship, of the.
Yeah, appearing in this.
And for 1 and 3, my lord. There is a revenue,
Yes,
finance
yes,
department and
the
general
government
administration.
advocate appears for the respondents, 1 female.
1 and 3, my lord.
Oh, third so and so, huh? Issue notice. Mr. Anders, then government appears for respondents, 1, 2, and 3, and MS. P. Nayak. Mr. P. Nayak, then standing counsel, finance appears for respondent 4. How about the other respondents? What address?
The Nayak, my lord, he is appearing for all the
No, no,
respondents.
Private respondents, 5 to 6.
Private respondents, my lord, in earlier case in the writ petition, these advocates appeared, my lord. They filed the affidavit, they appeared. And most of the private respondents are, most of the private respondents are also returned now, my lord.
Petitioner appellant to take steps for service of notice on respondents 5 to 16 by registered post 80
Lordship,
by registered post 80
within 3 days.
within 1 week. Registration is direct to reflect the name of the understanding also GAD in the province.
My lord, the IA is there, my lord, for consideration, my lord.
What I
My lord, since the person is going to be retired, my lord, in the month of October, my lord. So this one representation is pending.
the Chetri then comes for the applicant, the IA. Issue notice. Mr. Anders, then the government advocate, address for respondents.
1 and 3.
1 and here also there are some mistakes.
Lordship.
Look at page 2. There are 2 respondent number 2.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, my lord. I may be allowed to correct, my lord.
After the notification, can be correct.
You'll have it after a week, please file an amended prospect. You can't do it like this. Those days are gone,
There's a notification to that
Gone.
effect already.
because everything now is in the system. You will not get a certified copy.
No, only two
You
instances.
understand what I'm saying? Those days are gone.
Be Chetri then I counsel for the applicant. No. On request made by B Chetri then counsel for the applicant list after 2 weeks.
1 week, lordship, it will be enough.
File an amended prospect. It will be entered into the system. The system will not recognize this. You're not aware for it. Everything now is online.
Inadvertently, it has been done.
That's not the point.
Yes.
You can't do it like.
Yes,
by
yes,
hand.
yes.
That's the point.
Earlier occasion we did it.
Now
Yes.
it's-
31.
My lord, in earlier occasion on 21/2, my lord, the respondent number 1 take time to file the affidavit, my lord. The affidavit not yet come.
Lordship, I have been requested by Pharmacy Council to represent their case, Lordship. I've sent the affidavit, Lordship. Lordship will give me 2 weeks time, Lordship. Meantime, I'm fine.
Okay, Mr. Arkiti Chaudhary, then the Deputy Solicitor General is allowed. How much time?
2 weeks time, Lordship.
2 weeks time to file affidavit. To file contra affidavit. List up to 2 weeks.
Master. My lord, may I pray, my lord, if it is not fine on that day, my lord, because the case is pending because of their affidavit, because the violation of their provision for which, my lord, the PIL has been filed. If it is not come on that, my lord, that may be closed, otherwise, my lord, the matter is pending for a long time.
In any case, Lordship, what transpires from the affidavit, Lordship, the approval is from the state.
So let the affidavit come.
Master.
37.
Already over.
37, you can write this time of the item submission.
39.
Yes, sir. Well, Lord, now we could lay our hands to a judgment of the Supreme Court, which covers the case. Happy to do this.
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of Majumdar for the department. Dibrugarh University. I pray for some time because he is out of station.
You can't have this.
Which
These-
which
These
university?
are academic matters. It brooks no delay, my lord. Actually, my lord, there was a particular question. Which is the state which is towards the east of the Assam? Now, the answer key gives a partially correct answer, partially incorrect. Now, that is the issue in such a situation, whether re-evaluation is possible or not. Please have para 2020, my lord. The question, however, arises, page 670, para 20, my lord. The question, however, arises whether even if there is no legal right to demand.
Para 90.
Oh, my lord, the sentence starting with the question, however, arises. It may be 19. Yes.
90.
Yes. The question, however, arises whether even if there is no legal right to demand re-evaluation as of right, would there arise circumstance which leave the court in any doubt at all? A grave injustice may be occasioned to a writ applicant in certain circumstances. The case may arise where even though there is no provision for re-evaluation, it turns out that despite giving the correct answer, no marks are awarded. No doubt this must be confined to a case where there is no dispute about the correctness of the answer. Further, if there is any doubt, the doubt should be resolved in favor of the examining body rather than in favor of the candidate. The wide power under Article 226 may continue to be available even though there is no provision for evaluation in a situation where a candidate, despite having giving correct answer and about which there can be even the slightest manner of doubt, he is treated as having given the wrong answer, and consequently the candidate is found is entitled to any mark. So, my lord, the Honorable Supreme Court has recognized as power at the hands of your lordships under Article 226 in an appropriate case. If the answer is correct beyond any doubt, then to my lord, step in and remedy the situation. And moreover, my lord, here I was given negative marking. Because according to the body, my lord, my answer was wrong. Therefore, my lord, the negative marking was also resorted to.
And then Majumdar is not there. Third, Mr. K.N. Chowdhury, then the senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
RJ Das.
R.J. Das, then the counsel for the appellants.
Good.
On request made on behalf of Mr. R. Majumdar, then the standing counsel, Dibrugarh University.
My lord,
When do you want?
next week.
It's the matter after one.
Let it be on Monday next, my lord.
Already any convenient date?
6th of Monday, my lord, next Monday.
It's
6th of,
just before the polling.
or let it be, let it be on 9th, man.
9th May.
Apply.
Listen.
40.
Diplo.
Lordship, on behalf of respondent bank, Lordship, we were supposed to file an affidavit. Lordship, I just pray for a daytime, Lordship. We will try to file it by today itself, otherwise latest by tomorrow. Lordship,
On appeals for the petitioner. On request made by Mr. G. Das. The counsel for the respondents, 1, 2, and 3.
I will be appearing for 4 months.
1 week time is allowed to file counter affidavit.
Lordship.
Mr. N.J. Das, N. Das, Governor, appeals for the respondent. Please, Dr. What?
Lordship, can the matter be taken upon next Monday? Otherwise, Lordship, the matter has been settled by the Honorable Apex Court. Because they are only challenging whether bank can proceed simultaneously under both banks. Interim order to continue. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
41.
My lord. My lord, the affidavit I will file my college authority, my lord. Now I need 2 weeks time for consulting my counsel on my client, my lord. Just a few days back. So over 2 weeks time maybe.
By, affidavit has been filed by,
The college authority.
respondent number,
2 weeks only.
respondent
That's
number.
number 3, my lord. That's one number 3. The matter pertaining to fixation of the salary, my lord. Long pending matter.
The respondent number 3 has filed counter affidavit.
On to page 131 of the judgment, my lord, 132. Page 20, paragraph 26.
Weeks time to obtain it, sir.
My final.
Yes.
Nothing to raise.
J.B. Sharma and the counsel for the applicant, placed for 2 weeks time to receive instructions. Released after 2 weeks.
Lordship, item number 39 interim में we can do. Change.
Interim order, possibly.
Oh. List is over.